Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Learn a Groove. My name is Jojo Zolina. We're gonna do the Fortnite versus old school move. So today we're gonna do the Orange Justice, which is the very popular dance right now, versus California, which I saw from the documentary House of Trey. And Marjorie Smart really did it. And she's one of my best inspiration. And I'll break it down for you, alright? Check it out.
Me, Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
What?
Everything you do gives me butterflies. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only.
Come on.
I asked you for the time. You got the damn right. Everything you do gives me butterflies. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only. I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed that. And so there's nothing new anymore. So everything's been done before. It's a repetition and being inspired by something. So the California and Orange Justice. If you like the video, please hit like, add a comment, share the video, and subscribe because we have some more videos for you. And don't forget to check out the other videos because we did a lot of other videos already. It's about maybe 12 videos and other old school ones like whacking and house. So check it out, please.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter, it's up to be my lady only.